because this year it did not rain at all. So in this summer there is worse situation. Hello and welcome. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn a chapter from 3rd standard NCERT book, Looking Around. The name of the chapter is Drop by Drop. Let's get started. Madho is a child. He lives in Bajju. Bajju is a village in Rajasthan. Bajju is very small village actually. In Rajasthan area there is desert. Desert means there is place of sand. Everywhere sand. So Madho's village, which is very small village, that is Bajju, which is in Rajasthan, there is desert. Sand here and there, everywhere sand. One can see houses also, but when the sand is not blowing. Whenever wind blows, then the sand also blows. So due to that the scenes or the view is not clear. So one cannot see anything. So whenever the sand is not blowing, one can see houses. So just imagine how much sand will be there. So in this area, there happens scarcity of water. That is shortage of water, lack of water in this area. It happens. But in summers, there is too much scarcity of water. There is too much shortage of water. So Madho's family members are upset. Every summer there is shortage of water, but this summer there is very worse situation, very bad situation, because this year it did not rain at all. So in this summer there is worse situation. So obviously Madho's family would be having shortage of water, so they would be having problems due to lack of water. So Madho's sister and Madho's mother, they have to walk for long distances to get water, to fetch water from wells. Because the ponds were there in his area, those ponds got dried due to harsh summers. Harsh is very severe, very cruel. Like harsh means very strong. So there is very harsh summer. Madho's mother and sister, they have to travel a lot to get water, to fetch water, because ponds in their area have got dried. Alright, so they are traveling for long distances. So due to that, their feet are getting burned. Their feet are getting blitters because they are walking on sand, and for hours and hours they are walking on sands. Very hot sand is there, because we can imagine if the sand gets hot, how it will be hot. So on that hot sand, these people are walking for hours and hours to get just 4 pots of water. So the result of walking so much long for so much hours on the hot sand, they are getting blisters on their feet. Blisters means small bubbles on skin filled with serum caused by friction, burning or other damage. Blisters mean pimple-like structure on skin, but that is on your feet. Those are known as blisters. We have completed this chapter, so we will be back with another video. So stay connected to our channel, subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos. Team Ayanch looks forward to have you on board. चुटकी, जो मामी की बच्ची है चुटकी, washed his hand, उसने हाथ धोया विपुल ने. He washed his hand and lifted little Chutki. उसने चुटकी को उठा लिया. Suddenly चुटकी started crying. Suddenly अचानक